Hi everyone, welcome to the CaliKim garden. Today we're going to peel back the curtain and hide nothing and show you what we normally wouldn't.
As gardeners, we've all got them huge fix-it lists that we know will never ever get done. So today we're going to bring you along. We're going to walk around and say, that needs fixed.
Or, we got to fix that.
The deck expansion project, it's going well, but this big old hole, we got to fix that. Phase 3 is actually going to be a build out. We're going to have to put in footings and we're going to have to build structure. We've got no rail up here right now. We got to fix all this. Because it's such a big project, we're going to wait until after vacation so we don't have a project half done. We're going to wait till we can do it all in one swoop.
Next on the garden to-do list, the drip irrigation timer that goes to the container garden. It's broken. It doesn't turn on, which means I'm hand watering all the containers if it's not raining. When I turn the timer on, it clicks on, but the water doesn't come through the hoses. We gotta fix this. And another. And then there's the Smart Pots deck. It's sagging in the middle, it collects water when it rains. We haven't planted anything in it yet because we've got to fix it. Now, have you ever had a project that turns out way bigger than you think it will be once you start? That's this one here.
So what I did here was I peeled back a few of the planks just to see what's going on underneath, and the wood has basically rotted and separated from the joist. That's why we haven't shown this very much. So next we have to decide to replace it or not.
Yeah, we're showing you today because we actually need your help. Any creative ideas for what we can put here? We definitely still want to grow the Smart Pots, but we need a solution. So help us out, would ya, in the comments. We'll be looking
in the
for it.
meantime,
we gotta fix it.
This. Another section that I intentionally have not showed you too much of is this stone wall. This was made out of leftover materials from our makeover show. As you can see, it's kind of crooked, it's sagging, it's falling backwards. It's really not very safe. We've kind of kept it off camera, if you know what I mean. We need to fix that.
We've got the big fixes, but then we've got the easy fixes. That was easy. Here in this raised bed, we've got a big fix, which could really be a big problem. This wood here is completely rotted, and it is being held in place by this one small blue screw, which Jerry put in a couple of years ago, and we've never got around to fixing it. Now, the reason why this is such a big problem is because basically this whole raised bed needs to be pulled out, the wood replaced, which means I can't plant in it until we fix it. If it gives way, this whole thing is gonna slide downhill. We gotta fix this.
So there you have it. We've peeled the curtain back. We actually kind of had fun making this for you. We hope you enjoyed it as well.
Hope you enjoyed as much as we enjoy all the fix-it projects we have now. And I want to encourage you, make sure you take a monthly walk around your garden, see what things might be going wrong, especially that drip irrigation when it's running at night. Might be leaking, you never know.
And now it's your turn. I'm sure you've got some doozy stories, some fix-it projects yourselves. Put those in the comments. We're definitely going to read them.
We'll just take it one fix-it project at a time together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the CaliKim garden. Shoot. It's the CaliKim garden to see you in the garden.
Let's just leave it like that.
Okay.
It's funny.